What's up, guys? Welcome back to Japan. Sitting here, it's almost sunset here, the day after Thanksgiving on Black Friday. We're gonna go for a little cruise out of here. We got a bunch of nice cars. You hear the Cosmo crank up, the 3-rotor. Let's check it out. We're gonna start out with Kaylin's car. You've seen this in another video. Same color code as the Fast and Furious Supra. Rocking the titanium Tomei. I don't know if you noticed this, it's got 4 pawl. That's pretty sweet. The CCW stagger wheels. Probably the only car in Japan with these wheels. Crazy interior. A TRD wheel, TRD shift knob, double din. Looks like Defi gauges all the way around. All stock seats and stuff. Looks really clean. Aftermarket hood. Bomex front bumper. It's a really good looking car. And you guys know Jeremy's S14 Zinky that is for sale currently. One of the cleanest on the island. Got the Cosmos wheels, carbon fiber hood, Recaro confetti seats. It does have coilovers. I can't remember the brand. I think they're HKS, I think. Got the Momo wheel, half cage. The roof wing. Got the aftermarket front bumper, or I'm sorry, aftermarket rear bumper. Of course, my car. You guys have seen that a million times, I'm sure. We have Dylan's Altezza. This dude changes cars more than anybody else I know, man. He just sold his Aristo, twin turbo Aristo for this. And then he decided to go the drift route. So this is a pizza delivery / drift Altezza. It's actually really clean though. I really like the car. And we have a FD RX-7. Looks like we're rocking some R33 GTR wheels. All the rotary guys know this is part of the Heartbreak Club. Oh, another FD. That's a clean car. Finally, somebody hooks up the Crown Athlete. Lowered on some nice wheels. Really flush, really clean fitment. Really tastefully done. This is a beautiful car. I love the VIP style. This is like a sporty take on it. Nice double din, nice big comfy leather seats. I would absolutely rock this car. This is like the perfect car for in Japan if you have a family. Got a big fat front mount. So for those of you that don't know, this comes factory, the 1JZ. Obviously it is boosted to carry that big old car around. Needs it. Got a Mark 4 Supra. Looks like it's rocking the Shogun front bumper. Some BBS wheels, aftermarket side skirts. Sitting mostly stock. Looking really clean. The doubled in. This was in the video a couple weeks ago. Silver Supras do look really good. We have the black FD. I just love FDs. I think they look so nice. Probably one of the best looking cars to come out of Japan. In the mid-90s at least. Got some work equip wheels. There's a multi-piece wheels are really expensive. Oh, that's dope. Got the red Momo wheel to match the red bridge seats. That is super clean. Got the Apexy Power FC. Looks like a gritty gauge, double din. That is beautiful. Really nice, really nicely done. Oh, something I don't see enough of, these little vents on the eyelids there. It's a good looking car, man. Then we have really clean GTST, RB25. So he's rocking a set of staggered Meister SCRs. Really nice, like the rear lip. But he's got another set of Workmeisters in the rear. It's pretty cool. All the stickers. And this says GTSR, does not say GTR. Rocking the Fujitsu Oboe exhaust. I heard earlier, sounds really nice. Then got to know Josh's 500 and something horsepower Cosmo 3-rotor. Really rare car, even for Japan. Staggered wheels, spike lugs. Check out the tablet, all the gauges and stuff. It's pretty sweet. Really clean. He's done a lot of work to this car. It's come a long way. It sounds amazing. You'll definitely hear it. Love the vented hood. These cars are super rare. And they only came automatic, I believe. Check out this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous S13 Silvia. The color combo looks great. Nice front mount, super clean. Oh man, that's a beautiful car. Staggered wheels, aftermarket side skirts. All factory except for the Momo steering wheel and shift knob. Overall, kept the factory look. This car is beautiful. Got a little boost gauge there. Since Chief left, this is probably the cleanest S13 on island that I've seen, at least. I've seen some nice ones, but something about this car just looks so good to me. All the Subi boys. Got to show off the GC8. Like the white wheels, look good with the silver. Kind of different take on things. I like the way these cars look. I wish I could just have a million cars so that I have one of each kind. It's beautiful. All right, we're gonna hit the road and try to make it to Torrey Station before it gets too dark and get some cool pictures, rolling shots, and all some stuff. And hopefully, if we get there fast enough, find some other cars. Taken. Oh, Caitlin's car is so sexy. Angel's car. Loud. That crown is awesome. Let's hear it. Yeah. What's up? Yep. And those of you that recognize this wing, that is my old wing on his car. It's not even painted yet. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Got the Altezza, Jeremy Silvia. Yes, the Cosmo. Into the sunlight, or into the sunset. Oh, we got Ghost in his R33 GTR. and now I have to play catch up. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. It's obviously the next day because it was so dark last night. Once we got to Torrey Beach, I couldn't film anymore, couldn't do the outro, so I'm doing it now. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me which car was your favorite. Like, comment, and as always, I'll see you next time.